Hey everyone, I'm Jay Cohen, editorial director here at ff. We're with our friends at GE Profile to use their smart appliances to bring you the ultimate home fries recipe. We are making buffalo home fries. They're crispy, they're spicy, you probably already have everything you need to make them already in your pantry. I'm gonna show you how to make it. So, first up, I'm taking a pound of red potatoes and I'm gonna cut them into 3/4 inch pieces. I try to cut them in quarters and then across, awesome. I'm gonna get this into a medium saucepan and we are going to parboil our potatoes. So I'm just gonna cover them in some cool water, season it with salt, and get that going. I'm gonna bring this up to a boil and then I'm going to cook potatoes for about 5 to 7 minutes until they are just tender. Again, that time is after they come to a boil. The best part about Induction is how fast everything comes to a boil. Love our GE Profile Induction Cooktop. These are nice and tender, time to drain. And then throw them right back into the hot pot. This is going to allow the residual heat to kind of evaporate any leftover moisture that we don't want. Meanwhile, we will prepare the rest of our ingredients. We need half of a red onion, just thinly sliced, and 1 garlic clove, also thinly sliced. Other great thing about Induction is that it can get ripping hot for a cast iron, so I'm going to get a medium cast iron pan heated with 3 tablespoons of any neutral oil. I'm using sunflower. You could use vegetable, you could use canola, you could use whatever your heart desires. Okay, our oil is nice and hot and shimmering, and we are going to add in our parboiled potatoes. You need to hear that sizzle. And get this into an even layer, and we are going to let it sit for a few minutes before tossing and stirring. Even though this is all starchy, if you have a really hot pan, nice amount of oil, and that the potatoes are dry, they will not stick and they will just get golden. Ooh, look how beautifully golden. Just gonna season it up with a little salt. All right, we are looking nice and golden. I'm going to throw this into a bowl. And then to this hot pan, add a little more oil. And our onion and garlic. Just cook that down until it is soft and golden. And let's get this all together. We're gonna add back our crispy potatoes. And we are going to pour in 3 tablespoons of hot sauce. And then just toss together. And there you have it. I mean, this is so easy. A little bit of TLC will take any potato to the next level, especially these buffalo versions. If you like it spicy, feel free to bump up the hot sauce, even to a 1/4 cup, maybe even a 1/3. Time to give it a try. Spicy, you get the char from the onions, the potatoes are so perfectly cooked. This is the breakfast of champions. Crack an egg in it, eat it plain, do whatever your heart desires. Thank you so much to GE Profile for outfitting pp Brooklyn with your incredible GE Profile smart appliances. If you want the full recipe, you can head to ff.com. I'll see you next time.